Ever dream of owning real estate but think, I'm too broke for that? Well, I have news for you, my friend. You don't need a fat stack of cash to get started. Today, we're talking about how to invest in real estate with $0 down. Yep, not a zilch. And trust me, this isn't a pipe dream or some get-rich-quick scheme. These are real strategies people use every day to get started in real estate with little to no cash. Let's start with the ultimate money hack in real estate: partnerships. Imagine this. Someone else brings the money and you bring the hustle. You find a property, negotiate the deal, and manage it while your partner covers the down payment and financing. Maybe they have cash but no time, or they want in on real estate but are afraid of doing it alone. That's where you come in, the real estate brains of the operation. Think about it like this. You're the real estate matchmaker, introducing cash to opportunity. And no, you don't have to be a real estate pro to make this work. Just bring a solid deal, a clear plan, and a value add, like property management skills or rental knowledge. Tip: use bigger pockets or local real estate meetups to find potential partners. Now, let's talk about house hacking. Not the kind where you turn your living room into a jungle gym, but where you buy a property, live in part of it, and rent out the other part to cover your mortgage. This works especially well with duplexes, triplexes, or even just a place with a finished basement or extra rooms. With house hacking, you're living for free, and maybe even pocketing some rental income. You don't need a huge down payment either. FHA loans let you buy a place with as little as 3.5% down if you're an owner-occupant. You could even borrow that down payment from family, friends, or even your future tenants. This next trick is one that not everyone knows about but can be gold: seller financing. So, instead of going to the bank for a loan, you get the seller of the property to finance it for you. They become your bank and you make monthly payments directly to them. This can be huge if the seller is willing to work with you on terms like a lower down payment or even 0% interest if you're a negotiating wizard. You'd be surprised. Some owners are more interested in the steady income from financing the sale themselves than they are in a big lump sum. Pro tip: look for properties that have been on the market a long time. Those sellers might be open to creative offers. The BRRRR method is a classic. And here's the kicker. You can do it with little money if you have access to a short-term loan, like from a private lender or a hard money lender. Here's how it works. You buy a property, rehab it to increase its value, rent it out, refinance it to pull your money out, and then repeat with another property. By doing this, you end up with a cash-flowing rental, and if all goes well, you have little to none of your own money left in the deal. You're essentially recycling your cash and growing your portfolio without continually investing out of pocket. Tip: make sure you buy low enough to cover rehab costs and still have equity when refinancing. Last but not least, let's talk about wholesaling. With wholesaling, you're not buying a property. You're just securing a contract on it and flipping that contract to an investor who will buy it. So you're essentially the middleman or middlewoman. Your job? Find properties at a deep discount, get them under contract, and sell that contract for a fee to an investor who wants to take on the project. It's all about finding good deals and connecting the right people. If you're good at networking, wholesaling could be a moneymaker. Tip: use social media to find potential investors and build a buyer's list. So there you have it. 5 real ways to get started in real estate investing with no money. You don't need to win the lottery or wait until you're older and rolling in cash to get started. It's all about being creative, building relationships, and knowing how to structure a deal. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to learn more about any of these methods. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more no-nonsense real estate and finance tips. And remember, if I can do this, you can do it too. Now go out there and find your first deal.